Okay, we're here with Quanalog at Superbooth 2020.
Yeah, look at my lame banner. I just made it done just a few minutes ago.
It's fantastic. I love it. It's that lo-fi flavor. So this is your own company that you do everything by yourself with?
Yes, this is a very small brand. I do everything. I try to keep it up with, the speed of it. But hopefully, I can bring out more stuff soon enough to the market.
Well, what have you got to show for us today?
So first of all, I'm having a drum module here, which is having kick drum, low tone, high tone, snare, and hi-hat. And then you have 3 different compression modes here, so you can kind of having a.
And is the engine? What's the engine based on? What are you using to make it sound?
It's like filter based. It's not like oscillator based, but it's like filter. Basically, what you do is you punching the resonant point of it to make it into a drum. So it's quite different than the other stuff.
It's a really nice sound. I really like the sound of that kick.
Let's say now we're having a low tone here.
Yeah, that's nice, man.
The fun part about the tone engine is without a trigger, if you plug a VCO to it, let's say I have a square VCO here. So it becomes like a note filter, and then it adding harmonic to your.
Yeah. And can you patch into that effect and automate it?
Yes. Let's say I have a CV here for the.
Oh, that's great.
And having a snare here.
Kind of like instant underworld.
Oh yeah. And when is the hi-hat, this one, and that's hi-hat here as well. You can see the all of the rhythm from here.
So this module is sequencing.
Yeah, sequencing.
Yeah.
Kind of rhythm. So I get eight banging patterns, and also each banging having 8 patterns. So it's 64 different patterns you get 2 from.
And how do you switch between patterns?
Just with the note and with the CD control. So now let's say. If I have a CV control for the drum, it's gonna also swapping the pattern very quick.
Nice, so that's switching between the patterns using a CV signal. That's great.
Or you can move the whole thing
Oh, you've got a touch panel.
Yeah, it has a touch panel here, so you can mess around with the with the drum pattern as well.
That's brilliant, man. Nice. And you said you have a new module for the show as well.
Yes. So what I have more for the thing is that I just made a dual complex VCO, and this one is quite different than other dual complex VCO by. There is no primary or secondary VCO. Both are having full function the same, and both engine having its own wave folder. Let's say I can have the sound from here. And let's say the folder when it minimum is cut off the sound, so you can use it kind of a VCA. And when you turn on the effects, it's taking the other side of the folder to modeling this one.
That sounds,
And
that
having
sounds dark.
So on the filter, it's having its own like envelope, so you can shape it into a voice already. Only 2 modules. Also, you will have like a sequential switch here for the.
What's that doing?
So it's switching like the mode out here, the waveform of the first VCO. So you can have like or a different output from here or a different modulation from the other side.
That's great. So it's cycling through them. That is really nice.
And you can have like only the first 4 or the first 2 only. Or the first 4 of it. Or all of it.
Oh, I see, yeah.
So in a way it's like a sequencer, but for the sound, not for the pitch. But like you swapping different waveform very fast by another trigger from here.
That's great, man. And when, so the butterfly module is you've got 2 of them here, is that right? One and the other?
So on this side here, I'm just using it as like a simple sub-bass.
It's got a really punchy kind of tight low end.
Yeah, and then you can change the shape of the sub-bass by the. And then
Excellent. So when will the butterfly be out? When will it be released, do you think?
I think like realistically it will be like around like in the end of this year, because of like right now I try to like produce more of the Boubou in the factory first. Then I will like have more time to like start on the butterfly, and the binary and the intona will come like a bit later than the butterfly to finish in the system. Like right now I cannot like really put everything in the production at the same time.
Okay, so what's going to be first out of these modules? What's your order of release?
So there is those 2 are already like being released. Then this one will be next. Then this one and this one.
Great.
So hopefully I can bring it out to the market like as soon as possible.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
well, thank you very much for speaking to us today, Quan. It's been really nice to speak to you.
Thank you for having me.